No crank, no start, 2014 Jeep Patriot. I changed my starter, I changed my battery, still no crank, no start. This is what it was. I changed the battery in my key. Starts right up. I am pissed. But I'm happy I'm going to be able to drive out of here. I had to leave my car at work last night. Man, I am so sick. I was out here struggling, changing the starter, bought a brand new battery, and this is what it was. Tips, got to show you the bad with the good.